Kajing bampat pendap yaki skim sam bam syaki nong shong shnong hakas nong Nongrah kal penlong yo nong tauan ke All India Trinamool Congress na nong thamai uba Charles Pinggroup ban kylli na Myntri katanat PHE Marcus Marak haka kenta kylli jing kylli haka ski ban rio ke dorbar mang tingka jong ke yang dorbar tauan haka arp nyaw trik leber arja arpulai halor kini uba Charles uloong baka kam hamadan hi kampat pawi pat na kalyang Myntri uloong bala penrung ya ke Nongrah water supply scheme haka JJM dang ha ubanai nai wing arja arpuar bat kular ban shim khia ya kani ka benta ya kran.
Answer to star question 66A, sir. Sir, Nongrah water supply scheme was completed in December 2022. B, sir, does not arise in view of A above. C, sir, the project was sanctioned on 31st/3/2017. D, sir, the targeted date of completion was in March 2022. E, sir, the amount sanctioned is 5,92,73,000 and the amount utilized till date is 5,92,73,000, sir. Sir, sorry, one more, sir. Sorry. You're not asking. F, sir, the expected population to be benefited upon completion of the project is 12,021. Sir, the scheme was sanctioned in the year 2017 before the launch of Jal Jeevan Mission, and hence the provision for providing house service connections was not incorporated in the scheme. However, the household tap connections will be provided from the augmentation of Nongrah water supply scheme recently sanctioned under Jal Jeevan Mission, sir.
Okay, your supplementary, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the answer by the Honourable Minister is clear that the scheme has been completed. But so far, sir, the benefits of this scheme has not trickled down to the populace. So may I know, the Honourable Minister, since the scheme cannot be implemented or the benefits cannot be given to public because in the absence of the Jal Jeevan Mission, may I know when will the Jal Jeevan Mission come into place? The household tap connections.
Sir, Jal Jeevan Mission for this Nongrah has already been sanctioned on 28/11/2022 and at an estimated cost of 18,87,80,000, sir. And it is at the various stages of implementation, sir.
So this implementation means, is the scheme been sanctioned or has it been tendered or has the work order been given? Because there's no work on the ground regarding the laying of the pipes for the distribution of water to the public through the benefit of the scheme, which we have already spent 6 crores. Sir. May I know?
Yes, sir, it is already tendered and the work already started at the various stages level. And then one work is already completed, that is exploratory drilling of borewell. That is already completed. The rest components of works are at various stages of beginning, sir.
Sir, the exploratory bore wells was done to augment the water that is supposed to be collected in the raw water sump to add additional supply to the village. My question is, water is now done, is there now under this previous scheme of 5-6 crores. Now we'll be distributing that water as household tap connections. When will that exercise take place, sir? And when will it be completed? Because the people want to know just that, sir.
Sir, for the benefit of honorable member and honorable honorable members in the house, I would like to read out the Jal Jeevan mission was sanctioned. Jal Jeevan mission for Nongrah augmentation has been sanctioned on 28/11/2022 and at an estimated cost of 18 crore 87 lakh 80,000, sir. The components of the work, sir, name of the scheme, augmentation of Nongrah WSS, name of village, habitations, Nongrah, and name of habitation, Nongrah, number 1, Nongrah, 1,137 numbers of household. Number 2, Marbo, 405 numbers of household. Number 3, Nonglum, 231 numbers of household. Number 4, Nongpeteng, 196 numbers of household. 5, Pokti, 195 numbers of household. Name of CNRD blocks, Morenkneng. Number of functional household tape connections, 2,166 numbers. Present population, 10,059. Ultimate population, 14,284. Name of source, Wa Umba, within bracket Wa Kyang, and 1 number of borewell. Per capita cost, present 18,766.84. Ultimate 13,205, 215.88. Dry weather discharge 85,160.
Sir, may I interrupt, sir? It's a long answer. Can be laid at the table of the house.
Yes, sir. I can
And
do
one
it.
more correction. Nongrah comes under Maupat CNRD block, not Morenkneng. So please also just correct that. But the table of the house will do, sir.
Sure, sir. I'll correct. Thank you.
Yes, by Livingstone. Karpan, please.
Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of PG, what is the status of the Jal Jeevan mission at Morenkneng village? As of now, it seems that the work has not started.
Sir, the principal question is only on Nongrah. It's not about Morenkneng. So I require notice, sir.
No, sir, I'm asking about Morenkneng village also, the status of JGM.
Yes, sir. The principal question here is about Nongrah water supply scheme. So, honorable member is asking about the Morenkneng. So, therefore, I would require notice for that, sir.